Dear friends, welcome to my channel Positivity with Geeta. Well, do you gossip? Do you like gossiping? Or has anybody gossiped about you? Well, we are going to talk about gossip. What is this gossip actually? It's something which you want to tell others about somebody in their absence. So sad, so pathetic. Are you that desperate to talk about somebody? आपने देखा होगा कई बार लोग बोलते हैं आपके बारे में बात करेंगे और आप जाके बोलते हैं आपको पता है दिस वन डिड दिस, आपको पता है उन्होंने ऐसा किया, उनके घर में उनके पास गाड़ी है, उसकी बेटी ने दूसरी शादी की, आपको पता है उनके घर में ऐसा हो रहा है, दिस वन हैज़ एन अफेयर, दैट वन हैज़ अ चाइल्ड, दैट वन हैज़ गॉट लॉस्ट हिज जॉब, उसके पास पैसा नहीं है. नेम एनी एंड पीपल वॉन्ट टू शेयर दैट थॉट. और व्हेन यू सी दैट, जब देखते हो तो आपको क्या लगता है, ओ माई गॉड, दे फील सो हैप्पी, सो एलेटेड एंड एम्पावर्ड. कहीं से भी उनको वो पावर आता है, उनको बहुत खुशी मिलती है किसी के बारे में बोलने की. दे जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल अबाउट समबडी एंड देन यू रियलाइज, ओ गॉड, what am I doing? But this is what is happening. Most of the time you find people doing that. And I'll tell you, when they do that, do they feel sad about it? It's high time we become, I'll tell you, we have to rise above this. We have to know that gossip is not going to lead you anywhere. कई बार मैंने देखा है लोगों को गॉसिप करके बोलते हैं, मतलब ऐसे बात करते हैं, अरे उस whenever somebody is successful, then they want to put them down. तो वो बोलेंगे अरे पता नहीं how she passed, my god she's a top ranker, god knows how she passed, how did he do that, he got an award, is it a good correct award, real award or a fake award? You give so much scope about it and you enjoy. I have seen group of people, they come together and they laugh and talk about somebody who is not there to defend, who is not there to come and talk about himself, which is very bad, and yet we call the so-called educated people. Gossip is not something new. ये तो पहले ज़माने से आ रहा है गॉसिप. लोग एक दूसरे के बारे में निंदा करते हैं, अच्छी बात बोलेंगे, सही गलत बात बोलते हैं, लेकिन बोलते ज़रूर हैं. तो पहले आपको सोचना चाहिए, ये एक जहर है जो आपको धीरे धीरे खा रहा है, दीमक के तरह बढ़ रहा है आपके अंदर और एक दिन आपको खा जाएगा. It's a slow poison, very dangerous. You don't realize that. But क्या होता है, the one who talks, the one who gossips, he feels some kind of a elated status, and then but he should remember this is only short term. And क्या होता है कि when you share with another person, that person says, बाप रे, इसने उसके बारे में इतना कुछ बोला है, कल को वो मेरे बारे में क्या बोलेगा? Tomorrow he will talk about me also. Oh my God, I can't trust this person. He's gone from his circle of relationship. If you gossip about your husband, somebody, you talk about your relationship, your friends. You may talk very nicely to your friends, say, oh my God, you're so great, I love you, you're wonderful, without you, I don't know what I would have done. And then you go behind saying, you know my husband, you know my friend, you know my brother, you know my sister, my uncle, aunt, whomever you meet in front, you talk to them nicely. But in their absence, you get empowered if you collect some information about them. आपको अगर उनके बारे में कुछ मालूम पड़ गया तो आप क्या करते हैं, दूसरों को बोलते हैं, you know what, उसने ऐसा किया, उसने वैसा किया, and आपको एक अजीब सी खुशी मिलती है, which is very pathetic. You imagine what state you are. One thing you can do, some people can't help gossiping. कुछ भी हो कर जाए वो बोलते रहते हैं. एक तो पहली बात है कि आप फोकस करो, अपना जो भी काम कर रहे हो उसमें इतने बिजी हो जाओ, यू हैव नो टाइम टू इंटरफियर एंड टॉक अबाउट अदर्स. कई बार क्या होता है, जेलसी. Many times you can't tolerate somebody being successful. So when that happens, you want to say, pata nahi how she passed, oh my God, I don't know how she got that rank. So somewhere that jealousy is there. And many times you gossip without even knowing कि आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो सच है, कितना सच्चाई है उसमें वो भी आपको मालूम नहीं है. But you still want to gossip because it gives you some kind of, it is kind of a pep pill in you. You feel very nice about it. But analyze, why do I gossip? Why do I have to tell? In fact, I would tell you, अगर कोई आपसे पूछे कि आप क्या हुआ वहाँ पे उनके घर में, अगर आपको नहीं बोलना, you don't want to be part of it, you can say, I have no idea, I don't know anything, I'm not sure about it. Let that person who is involved, ask that person, don't ask me. I have no idea. You can do that because it is not going to help anybody. Gossip is a kind of a curse. You have seen in Mahabharata in olden days also, they say, in fact, whenever we talk about gossip, pehli baat bolte women gossip. Nowadays also men also gossip. और गॉसिप में क्या होता है, कंप्लेन करते हैं बार बार, मेरे ऑफिस में ये ठीक नहीं है, मेरे घर में ये ठीक नहीं है. अगर आप अपने काम में इतने व्यस्त रहेंगे ना, तो आपको ये चीज़ों का कोई मायना नहीं रखता है. ये वाई डू यू वॉन्ट टू बॉदर अबाउट इट? यू वर्क, यू फोकस योर सेल्फ, यू वॉन्ट इवन रियलाइज वॉट दैट पर्सन इज डूइंग, वाई ही इज डूइंग. इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन एनी वे, एंड येट you are involving in it. That is the sad part of it. So next time when somebody comes and tells you, or when you want to tell, introspect. Think of it. How can I stop? Why should I say? इससे मुझे क्या फ़ायदा? कुछ नहीं. All that elated thing is just short term. So don't bother. Don't talk about it, you know. And also you can say, sorry, I don't know, no idea. Talk about yourself. Talk about the people who are present if you have the guts. Don't talk about people who are not there. It is your weakness. So understand that. We all have to understand. Many times we get that tendency, but we have to stop it. Because I remember, still we say, great minds, they talk about different kind of ideas, concepts. Average mind talk about events. And what does a small mind do? They talk about people. They discuss people. Why do you want to discuss people? Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Before spreading that news or gossiping, remember, is it true? Absolutely true? Were you a witness? And okay, even if it is true, if you are going to tell somebody, what is that person going to do with that news? It's of no use to him unless it is of some use to him. If it's a good news or bad news, how is it going to affect anybody if you are going to share? Think of all that before gossiping. All of us at some age, we don't know. We have that tendency, but we have to stop. It's not good. It's a waste of time. Instead you read a book, listen to music, do a lot of things, or talk to that person directly and say, I believe, I heard that this is what it is about you. Is it true? Again, don't have to unnecessarily be inquisitive. If it's not going to affect your life, why are you bothered about the other person, what he is doing, she is doing, what they're eating, what they're wearing, with whom they are going? It is none of your business. You have to mind your business. You have to mind your mind. And if you do that, you will get rid of this gossip, because it's a slow poison. Very, very dangerous. When we studied in college, they talked about Socrates. And when somebody came and told him about something, he said, are you sure what you're sharing? Then he says, no, I'm not sure. Are you think that's a good or bad? He's saying, I'm not sure. Is it going to help us in any way? He's saying, I don't think so. Then why are you telling me? So you also introspect. All of us have to introspect and say, let's not gossip. Let's talk to, if you want to solve, if you are a great person and you want to solve the issue, talk to them directly and find out how well we can help them. This is what we all should do as an exercise, because we think in the modern world, we are so busy. It's only in olden times people did that. It's no. I believe that in Mahabharata, Yudhishthir cursed Kunti, that because she didn't reveal, she revealed about Karna being her eldest son. So he said, if you had not told earlier, it would have been different. So that's why they say that because of that curse, all women have a tendency to gossip. Now that's a different question, a different thing. But what is important, whoever gossips, don't talk behind anybody's back. Don't talk when they are absent. They are not there to defend. So friends, this is an eye-opener. We all have to be aware when we are talking. And remember, if it is not going to benefit the other person, there is no need to talk about it. So think it over and let's be better people. Let's discuss ideas and events rather than just discussing people. Thank you once again for watching my channel. See you next time with another topic. Bye till then. Take care.